My name is Mark Lepettis, and I'm the semiconductor editor of VID00007. We're here at the Design Automation Conference, and we're at the booth of the Simplicity Business Group of Synopsys, and we were discussing a little bit about FPGA and prototyping. With me today is Andy Haynes. He's the Vice President of Marketing for the group. And Andy, we were talking a little bit about FPGA prototyping and the driver for this kind of technology. What do you see as the main kind of driver for this type of product?
Sure. The main driver is related to the increasing algorithmic complexity that you have in ASICs today. SoCs all have lots of processors on them. The algorithms to run your 3G phone or your video are getting more complex, and that's driving more complex software. So all these chips have way more software on them than they used to have before. And the problem then becomes, how do you validate that software before the ASIC is available? And what people are doing today, they're turning more and more to running their prototype on an FPGA. And the main reason for that is the prototypes can run fast enough to run the software and operating systems like Linux and even applications on top of that. And it's really the major game in town for doing that. There's other methods, and there's a whole range of verification technologies that you have. Simulation, emulation, because they're generally too slow. It's FPGA prototype. There's also some virtual prototyping software which is available from Synopsys that also has the required performance. A differentiator for the hardware is that you can plug real-world interfaces into this really easily. For example, we have a prototyping board here, and we can plug a PCI Express card in or a SATA card, and you can get real interfaces going into the board.
What kinds of applications are you seeing developing with this, in terms of what kinds of products are we seeing in wireless or wireline?
Traditionally wireless applications or any kind of telecommunication applications have used prototyping of some type, because there you have these real world interfaces that are very important. Like, for example, if you have Ethernet traffic or internet traffic, rather, you want to come in over Ethernet, you might want to run that for some days to really check to see that the 10 to the nth bits of traffic really works through your system. And so it's very important in wireless. Video applications and imaging applications are important because you want to know what the system looks like. So the quality of the video, under different conditions of filming and recording, need to be looked at. Somebody's got to look at that. So you have to be able to have a data rate high enough to really do images and to see what's going on. So we see that in cell phone applications and lots of different kinds of consumer applications are all using this method.
Right. Last but not least, you're now part of Synopsys. This looks like it, shall we say, very synergistic to what they were doing. So it looks like it kind of fits into their strategy.
Absolutely. So there's, as I said, there's a wide range of verification products that are used in the course of an SoC development, and this particular product is an area of strength for Simplicity Business Group. We developed this, and it fits a spot that was empty in the Synopsys lineup previously. So this becomes part of a more complete solution that the engineer needs to have to do the whole design from the start of the RTL development all the way to the end.
Okay. Thank you very much. It's very interesting, and thank you very much.
Thanks.